One of the most active digital forms of money to shake the crypto world is Decentraland, MANA. Specifically, the cryptographic money had the option to arrive at a record-breaking exorbitant cost of $5.90 at a certain point. MANA is one of the digital currencies that are expanding in a stream that certain individuals view as the most unforeseen. MANA has existed since the year 2019. Because of the huge interest in metaverse tokens, financial backers in MANA saw a 100% profit from their ventures. We analyze MANA's presentation in this Decentraland estimating examination and gauge. Prior to that, however, we should investigate Decentraland, MANA, and its place right now in the digital currency market. What is Decentraland, MANA? A computer-generated experience stage called Decentraland, MANA, is based on the Ethereum blockchain. It empowers clients to create, consume, and benefit from content and applications. A $24 million ICO that occurred in 2017 prompted the foundation of Decentraland. It is the principal token in the historical backdrop of the metaverse to have a design show and a computerized pre-marriage ceremony. The MANA ERC20 token should be synced to get non-fungible ERC721 land tokens. On the Decentraland Commercial Center, MANA tokens may likewise be utilized to pay for a large number of wearables, symbols, names, and numerous different things. This year, MANA is supposed to make money on account of its market execution. We should happen to the examination to see whether the evaluating examples could give any more direction. Decentraland, MANA, Fundamental Analysis. The token on Decentraland, the first metaverse at any point created on Ethereum, is called MANA. You might change your look, investigate and make, and buy products and land in this virtual world. Also, there are different territories, courts, and craftsmanship galleries to investigate for quite a long time. Indeed, even children might give it a shot in view of the connection point's convenience. Except for utilizing genuine cash and requiring a reasonable crypto wallet to use ETH-based dApps, it is tantamount to a computer game. The underlying coin presenting for Decentraland brought around €22 million up in 60 minutes, surpassing its objective. Today, the MANA stage is used for things that might be redone, like wearables, covers, or a customized name, which are all open on the site's Decentraland, MANA. Technical analysis. What must be noted for this situation is that the cash has lain lethargic since send-off, as indicated by the latest news and venture guidance from crypto experts and investigators, without any indication of something going on under the surface for clients. In spite of headways and advances in blockchain innovation, this resource stayed passionless and didn't move even a millimeter. The expense of the Decentraland digital money was around $0.024 at the hour of commencement. Afterward, it rose and came to 24 cents, yet it was dismissed and it got back to its earlier help levels. The cost of Decentraland didn't really see critical variances and exchanged a similar cost range for some time. The coin then went through a few extra counterparts with the power of its tsunami. The MANA digital currency rose to a cost of about 80 cents on Decentraland in a bullish flood. MANA kept up with its bullish pattern even after its value taken off to another high of $1.56. In any case, subsequent to coming to another high, the MANA continued to address down, and the cost of Decentraland fell underneath 65 cents. Afterward, the MANA coins saw a critical increment that raised the cost to more than $3.50. Following that, the money's exchanging was perceptibly certain and arrived at another record high of $5.90. Nonetheless, the MANA cost saw a significant remedy subsequent to coming to another ADH, which made the Decentraland value drop to generally $2. Following that, Decentraland's value gets back to its past degree of generally $3. Decentraland, MANA, current price. Decentraland is as of now worth $0.786406 MANA has moved minus 0.14% as of now with an exchanging volume of $119,920,727. Decentraland is presently positioned 37 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,430,677,268 Decentraland, MANA, Price Prediction 2022. Decentraland, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year, MANA. The monocost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $1.18. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.10 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. MANA is supposed to have a base worth of $0.943690. Decentraland, MANA, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Decentraland MANA cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of MANA will before long outperform $1.97. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the MANA's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, MANA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.57 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.73. Decentraland, MANA, Price Prediction 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.75 and MANA might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. MANA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.52 and a low of $2.36 in 2024. Decentraland, MANA, Price Prediction 2025. In the event that Decentraland effectively helps market feeling among digital currency fans, the MANA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, MANA will be green in 2025. The MANA is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $3.54, with a base cost of $3.15 and a typical cost of $3.30. Decentraland, MANA, Price Prediction 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the MANA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.09 by 2026, with a base cost of $3.93 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover,